How to find photosensitive videos settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find photosensitive videos settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find just three lines. Click on it and click settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you find this one here, accessibility. Click on it, and here you will find this one, photosensitive videos. Here you will find it, and you can turn this one on or off just by one click and then go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.